right, y'all, this place is crazy. 70,000 people selling this place out. Nissan Stadium, hold the Titans. Banana Ball's here. Bananas versus Party Animals. Let's get it, baby. Let's go.
Mauldin the hero. His second walk-off of the night. Bananas win 5-4.
What's up, vlog? We are back. We are here in Nashville, Tennessee. I call this place my second home. We're playing Banana Ball at Nissan Stadium that holds 69,000 people. It's home of the Tennessee Titans, and we're playing Banana Ball in the stadium today. It feels so good to be back in Nashville. I moved here in 2018 for college, and I just moved officially everything that I own into Savannah, Georgia like 2 months ago. So I'm no longer a resident here, but I still feel like I am because I come back once a month to make music, and now we're here again playing Banana Ball in this great city. We're so pumped to play today, and I'm gonna take you guys through a POV of what it looks like to be a banana playing at Nissan Stadium, home of the Tennessee Titans, as a Banana Ball player. So let's get it.
Nashville.
This boy ready to rock. Look at him. Rock got the boots on.
Your boots.
Whoo. They look good though, bro.
Thanks, though. Happy game day.
Happy game day. Get on the bus. Let's do it. Good morning. All right, let's go check out the locker room. Just got to the field. Check this place out. All right, locker room check. This place is sick. Look at this. Look how big this locker room is. There's so much room in here. This is crazy. I guess this is like the visitors' locker room when they come play the Titans. Check this out, man. This is sick. Here's my locker in the Titans football stadium. Check that out. Everybody thinks it's my birthday, but it's not. Happy birthday, bro. Thank you, bro. Happy birthday, bro. Yeah, everybody rocking the cowboy hats. Look at this guy.
Oh, name, rock man? Me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Sí, me gusta el béisbol.
¿Te gusta?
Sí, más o menos.
All right, y'all, the moment we've been waiting for. Look at this. This is the field we're playing on. This is Nissan Stadium, home of the Tennessee Titans. We're playing Banana Ball on this field. First off, the dimensions are crazy. Down the right field line, 230, which is basically like a youth league, a little bit bigger, maybe like 225 is kind of standard. And then you go down the left field, we have 360 down the left side, and it's long. It's a long ways. Center field, about 405, pretty standard for center field for MLB parks, and it's just gonna be crazy. And I'm kind of feeling like there's gonna be a lot of home runs. We played at Clemson 2 weeks ago, and there was 11 home runs in the game. We had a short left field side, and so I think this right side is just gonna be just as many home runs getting hit. Something cool about getting the opportunity to play with the Bananas is we get to customize our own stuff. So I had an opportunity to customize my own bat from Louisville, and the designer was IKB_20, and I was like, hey, I wanna do a rainbow trout bat. Have you ever done that? And he was like, no, but we can do it. All right, so and now time for the bat reveal. All right, so look what we got. We got the mouth of the fish right here. We got the eye, the green to the pink to the white gradient, the Louisville Slugger. We got Banana Ball World Tour 2025, Nashville, and then right here in the middle, we got the Nashville logo. Look at this guy. Even the fins, look how cool that is. I'm a little bit scared to swing it, I'm not gonna lie, because I don't want to break it, because it's so beautiful, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So I'm gonna be swinging this thing in the game, and also here at BP, so let's go get some BP.
Oh, yeah.
The tender thing is fine. Tanner.
Oh, that whole side.
The leprechaun.
Oh, okay.
Might be it.
With a salmon bat.
Maybe.
Oh, yeah, baby. That's it.
All right, y'all, so it's not every day you get to take ground balls on a football field, and here we are at Nissan Stadium, home of the Tennessee Titans. We're about to take some ground balls. Let's do this thing. So first one we're gonna do is gonna go right to left. So ball's gonna come in, we're gonna go right to left. Back in, flip it up, catch it, behind the back, go one. Back in, flip it up, catch it, one. Yeah, this one, called the Professor. I'm gonna grab it, go behind the back, catch it, boom. Shout out Ryan, good luck magician. I was gonna come in, grab it here, boom, boom, shoom. This is called the corkscrew. It's my favorite one. I'm gonna flip it over my head and grab it. So the ball's gonna come in, flip it, boom, bah. All right, now I'm gonna combine three, right, left, behind the back, corkscrew. This is like the ultimate trick. I'll come in, right, left, behind the back. There we go. Got it, got it, all right. All right, y'all, I'm about to go outside, play some guitar, rehearse some songs. I'm gonna sing about 3:15 today for the fans outside before the game, and it's gonna be awesome, so let's go rehearse. All right, y'all, we're at sound check. I'm gonna get to sing here before the game. In front of everybody, I get the view of downtown. It's so cool. I'm gonna sing a few songs of mine and a couple covers, and it's gonna be awesome. So look at this backdrop I got. Look how cool this is. Check this out. Got the Batman building right here. See that? This is downtown Nashville right here.
I never get to see the northern lights, if I never get to see the Eiffel Tower at night, you had my heart a long, long time ago, in case you didn't know, screaming at the ceiling, I still ever held it.
So sound check is over now, and now we're about to go to the field to do rehearsals. So what we do on the bananas is we celebrate big. So if we walk off an inning, we get hit by a pitch, we have a fun walk up, we do like things that are trending or trending sounds or things that are relevant to the city or the area we're playing in, and those are the things you usually see on TikTok. So we're about to go do those right now. All right, y'all, so I'm walking down to the field right now, and I see Dirk Bentley singing What Was I Thinking? So Dirk Bentley is here, and we're gonna go check it out. It's gonna be DR's walk-up song, so it's gonna be sick. All right, and if you don't know who Dirk Bentley is, you probably should know. Look at his music, he's awesome. Country singer, probably based out of here in Nashville. Got a bunch of good, just absolute bangers. This is really cool. I'll put him on the camera, y'all can see him, hold on. All right, so here goes DR's walk up with Dirk Bentley. We're doing a little line dance. This is gonna be sick. Watch this. Think you even did a little time in the slammer. What was I thinking? What was I thinking? All right, this is the Forrest Frank celebration. Watch. All right, this is the unwritten celebration with Dan and Rack. So I pitched this idea from the Glenn Powell and Sydney Sweeney movie, Anyone But You, and we're about to do it, so it should be sick. It looks like you're actually like hanging on.
Look at that. It does, actually.
That's crazy. That's awesome.
I am unwritten, can't read my mind, I'm undefined.
That's my Serenity song. How do you know my Serenity
Don't
song?
worry about it. Staring at the blank page before you open up the dirty window. I am unwritten, can't read my mind, I'm undefined.
That's my Serenity song. How do you know my Serenity song?
Right here we got DC gloves. Come here, come here. Designed a glove for me right here. We're about to check this thing out. Here we go. He made this thing like a Plano tackle box. Here we go. Look at this. Look at the attention to detail. He's got eye black in there. He's got guitar picks. He's got little plugs and lures. And this is for a glove. I didn't ask for any of this. I just asked for the glove. And look at this. Open it up. Get you a better look at it. Look at this glove here. He made my own glove conditioner. Look at this. Mauldin's a glitter trout bait. All right, here's the rainbow trout glove. Look at this guy. He absolutely crushes. Little songbirds on it, like a little 13 up top. Look how cool this is. This is so sick. And then he added the little rainbow trout lure. Look at this guy. Look how awesome that is.
What's up, guys? My name is Troy. Come watch Dalton hit some bombs.
We're all dressed, ready to go. We're gonna go sign some autographs for the fans, hang out for a little bit, and we're gonna come back in there, hang out, and I'm gonna go sing outside. Let's go. Alright vlog, just got back from singing outside before the peel. Here's what it looked like when I was singing outside. Check this out.
I'm gonna take a quick selfie with y'all ready?
Alright y'all, we were back from the march. We just let everybody in, and you came back to the clubhouse. Everybody's got guitars. Look at this. It's a beautiful day. It's awesome. Actually, let me show it off. Alright, shout out to Rogue, because look at these. These are sick. Turned out really good, honestly. So I'll probably be giving some guitar lessons here pretty soon, which is good, because we can make a whole band out of this. Look at this. And I need some caffeine, so I'm about to drink a Celsius.
Yes, sir. Come on.
Alright y'all, we're at VIP right now. Hanging out. It's a good day. Signing some autographs for the fans. Hanging out, taking pictures. It's a good day. You know. Alright, so we have like the actual NBA championship finals trophy here. I don't know how or why, but look at this. Let's go! right, y'all, ready to rock and roll? I assume this place is getting full of people. We're about to walk out and see what it's like. I got to stretch, run, throw. I'm gonna sing on the field as well tonight. I got to walk up singing my own song I'm really excited about. And so we're gonna see what it's looking like. We're about to have 70,000 people here tonight. It's gonna be crazy. Hi, y'all. Hi, everybody. Hey. I'll say hey. Hey. All right, we're coming out here. What's up, boys? What's up, y'all? What up, y'all? Hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. Hey, you gonna be in the vlog? Yeah. Say what's up. Remember me? Hey, yeah, I remember you. Yes, sir. Let's go, bro. All right, y'all. All right, look at this. The whole football field about to be completely sold out. It's gonna be crazy. 70,000 people. All right, me and Ryan out here. We're about to start throwing. How you feeling so far?
Unbelievable. This place is packing out. I think it's the best setup we've had for a baseball football stadium combo.
Yeah, I agree. Are you a little biased because of the short right field?
I am, but I didn't go yard in Tampa. Tanner actually threw me out at first base, so I like backside a little better, but I'm gonna try my best.
Yes, sir. I like that. All right.
I got a question for you.
Yes.
How do you feel about being home in front and performing, playing in front of all your people tonight?
It's cool, man. It's really cool to see this field as a baseball field. I've been telling the guys, like, I worked this place a lot. I worked it for the Titans while we were here trying to raise money in college. My college coach is here, the one who even like took a chance on me to come to this school and play, and had never seen me play before. I was singing out front today, and I literally saw him. Shouted him out as we were singing, talking or whatever, and it was cool, man. He's here. Got a lot of friends here. It's gonna be an awesome day, man. I'm so excited. So let's play catch. Let's play some catch. Working on the hand-eye coordination right now. All right, one thing about playing on a football field is you cannot long toss, but you can still throw the length of the football field, which is sick, sideways. All right, here we go. All right, y'all, we're here at the Titans Stadium. This place is crazy. We're about to have 70,000 people in here. And I'll probably say that 10 times, but like, this is absolutely nuts. A lot of friends here back in Nashville. I have some music friends here. This is pretty cool, man. Something I'll definitely never forget. I'm so glad I get to vlog it. You guys get to watch this, because it's something I can watch the rest of my life. So thank y'all for being here. And thank you for watching this vlog. It's gonna be a heck of a game and one I'll always remember. So appreciate y'all. Let's do this thing. I'm about to go sing in the air tonight. I'm out of breath. So I'm gonna get some water, catch my breath. Let's do this. The party animals are coming out of here. Look at this. All right, y'all, this place is crazy. 70,000 people selling this place out. Nissan Stadium, hold the Titans. Banana Ball's here. Bananas versus party animals. Let's get it, baby. Let's go. Tanner. All right. Oh, he's Tanner feeling himself today.
Please take Daddy hats! Please!
We're about to do an entrance to the starting lineup out here, and so I can't film that. So I'll see you guys in just a little bit, okay? Peace.
And at second base, number 13, Dalton, Mauldin. And second round edge, Femi Olatejo. On the mound for your Bananas tonight, number 11, Corral Prime. And the
all right, we just started the game, turned it on play, had a backflip catch. DR walked out with Dirk Spantley. Rack is up right now. It's a great game so far. This is sick. This place is slammed.
For the Savannah Bananas, picking up his 86th trick play of the World Tour, leading all players. He makes it look so easy.
I'm calling a bomb right here by Rack the GOAT. Let's go, baby. Oh, this is so fun, y'all. Great at bat by Rack. Great throw down by Andy. Hey, this is gonna be a good game. I'm calling it right now. Let's go. Hey, Z, game prediction. What you got?
3-1 Bananas.
Oh, 4-2 Bananas.
3-2 Bananas.
All right, Swan just hit a bomb. Look at this. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, that hurts my heart. I don't know why they had to do that to the guitar, but Swan hit a home run. Good swing, Swan. All right, Mark Smith, first AB of the year. Look at this. He's usually a designated runner, but he's about to hit, so let's go, Mark. Little score update. It is the second inning. It is 0-0, tied up. Let's go. All right, vlog, is the third inning. Party animals are up 1-0. I just did a walk up, sang my song rent free. It was great. Struck out, unfortunately, but hope I get another AB and we can do something different here. Let's go. All right, Tanner's up. right, y'all, we are back. Just made a couple good plays out in the infield. Got a little tricky, that was cool. And it's still 2-1, so we gotta go. We gotta score some runs, let's go.
Trying it again, and once again it floats outside. Jacobo, though, offers up, and Mauldin, fancy trick play. Another look at the trick play from Dalton Mauldin and Tyler Gillum.
Oh, we got Ryan versus Rodriguez, let's go. All right, little score update right now. It is the 7th inning. Party Animals are up 2-1.
Man, we got to lock in or tap in or something for the change.
All right, Bill Leroy's up. Let's do this thing, Billy. Come on. Good swing, Billy. Attaboy. Good swing. All right, y'all, it's the bottom of the 8th right now. We are down 3-1. We got to get it right here and then beat them on the next inning. Let's go.
Hey, bro, better hit a home run, or if he breaks my bat, it's on sight. Just got it brand new, bro. He better get on 2. That's good. And he on first base.
All right, when y'all hear that music, that means it's the 9th inning. Let's go. Out! Y'all, it's the 9th inning. It's 4 to win this thing, so come on. We got 1 out right now. All right, we got 2 down. We got 1 more out to score. 4 runs. Let's go. All right, Ryan Cox is up. Let's go, Ryan. Yeah, attaboy. Let's go, Ryan. All right, we got EJ up. Come on, EJ. Go ball. Go ball. Let's go. Attaboy. EJ hit an absolute bomb. Look at this. All right, right now we have the golden batter. KJ's up to bat right now. Let's go, KJ, come on. Golden batter means anybody can hit at any given time once a game. The score is 4-3. Let's go, we got 2 outs, bottom of the 9th inning, come on. Just hit absolute bomb about 2 inches foul. This is crazy. Let's go. Hey, he can hit a bomb to tie it up. Win. Attaboy! All right, Bill Leroy got a chance to win this thing. 2 outs, bottom of the 9th. Come on, Billy. Let's go. Let's go, Bill. Oh! All right, Jackie's got a chance right now to do this thing. Bill get hit by a pitch. Hey, let's do it. Home run wins it. Come on, Jack. Yes. Bottom of the 9th. It came down to it. Party Animals win. Dang. Great game. That's a great game right there. All right, we got some fireworks for everybody right here to end it off with a bang. What a good night, man. Wow. Love you, bro.
We're gonna say fans first on 3, loud and proud. But I need to know, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, let's
All right, vlog, even though we lost, that was one of the most fun games I've ever been a part of. This was so cool to be in Nashville, a place that I call my second home. It's so good to be here. Everyone showed up, so much energy. One of my favorite games we've ever played. This is incredible. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. It means the world that y'all are in here each and every week, and I can't wait to see what next week has in store. We got an off week, but I'm gonna have a vlog come out for something, so thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all. Here's a song snippet. Peace. See y'all next week.
Play back a record every